On the planet Saturn lives King Eric. Ooh, I'm gonna fix those Earth people, especially my dreaded enemy, the red puppy. Must stop him at all costs. Let me laugh the evil Eric laughed. Whoa, it sounds to me like Earth is in trouble. It's time for the red puppy to save me. Whoa, whoa. What? Fire all the weapons. Ooh. Rocket ships into full blast. Woo! Woo! Firing the weapons. Woo! Yay! The red puppy has won today. Yay! Ooh, you may have fooled me now for the first time for the red puppy. But I'll get you, red puppy. Ooh, so says evil. Yay! The red puppy has won today! Yay!